Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone using Windows 10, legacy issues. These are problems that arise from older hardware, software, or configurations that aren't quite compatible with the latest version of Windows. If you're struggling with these issues, don't worry. We're going to walk through how to identify and fix these legacy problems step by step. Let's get started. Before we can fix legacy issues, we need to know how to identify them. Legacy issues typically manifest as compatibility errors, performance slowdowns, or hardware malfunctions. Step 1. Check Device Manager. First, let's check the Device Manager for any outdated drivers or hardware problems. Press Windows + X and select Device Manager. Look for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark, which indicates a problem. Step 2. Updating drivers. One of the most common legacy issues is outdated drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date is crucial for system stability and performance. In Device Manager, right-click the device with an issue and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Sometimes, automatic updates don't find the latest drivers. Here's how to manually update them. Go to the manufacturer's website of your device. Download the latest driver compatible with Windows 10. Install the driver and restart your computer. Step 3. Compatibility mode for older software. Legacy issues can also arise from older software that isn't designed for Windows 10. Running these programs in compatibility mode can help. Right-click the program's shortcut or .exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Click Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter doesn't help, manually adjust settings. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode and select an older version of Windows. You can also adjust settings like Reduced Color Mode or Run as Administrator if needed. Step 4. Addressing performance issues. Legacy hardware might not be optimized for Windows 10, causing performance slowdowns. Here's how to optimize your system. Press Windows + Pause, Break to open System Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance or manually select Options to disable. Press Ctrl + Shift + ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs that start with Windows. Step 5. Using Windows troubleshooters. Windows 10 comes with built-in troubleshooters that can automatically fix many legacy issues. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. Go to Update and Security and then Troubleshoot. Select the relevant troubleshooter, such as Program Compatibility Troubleshooter or Hardware and Devices. Step 6. Updating Windows. Keeping Windows itself updated can resolve many legacy issues, as updates often include compatibility fixes. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most legacy issues in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions or run into issues? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.